place where we don't left no trace. This Tyson where we left no face. Girl tech burst and the whole vibrate. Life on the line, killer but it's too late.
Thanks for Jambisco back with another crazy video, another crazy update. Yeah man people, as you know man, I've been gone for a minute with the updates. That's because I've been reacting to and covering the whole clash between Jada, Kingdom and Stefflon. Done. Yeah man, and the war been crazy, the war been lit, you know what I'm saying, everybody been enjoying it. So that's what I've been covering for the last couple days. But I'm back with the updates, gang. And as you can see from the clip before, today we have an update with Kman 6Ixx. Yeah man, he went live the other day on IG when basically I diss up Skeng directly. And I tell me say, yo, so my original I tell me say, yo, Skeng a little boy, little pitney, they new to the badness, you see me? And so man make Skeng run left in place. And it's a whole crazy situation, a whole crazy saga, man. I got the whole life for you, gang. I'm gonna put it up for you. You can go ahead and you know, watch it, take a look, and let me know what your thoughts on the situation. You see me? But yeah, man, Kman 6Ixx ain't holding my nothing. He's saying direct shots at Skeng, though. Yeah, it's so crazy. Check out the live, gang.
Yeah, I have a message for some in order today. There'll be so much comments in them under them picture, and them I doesn't even want to reply to, you know. I be saying in my head, but oh you can reply to all our fucking them, boy. So much about comments in the comments. So much a fucking press you have. You know? So much in them what came before that thing. You know? What you know, boy? What you was saying, right? To all my supporters who they support me. To all my supporters who love my music and love me. Love same speed coming back to all you, everybody. I tell you that. All the support, I see you know there, and I just acknowledge all it. Just I can't answer everybody, you know, how it just go. But you see, to all who don't like me, and all who want me dead for song I sing and for place I from and them kind of jokey thing, this coming from my heart. I want you know this. I want you know to go and haul all this stinking mother cunt, and I don't like all you too, and all you go and dead first before me. This stinking mother cunt. That's why I have to tell you. To all my supporters, again, I acknowledge all you, and all the love I gain from all you, I love all you back. But you see, to all you who don't like me, and who want me dead, for song I sing and place I from, I want you know I don't like all you too, by dog, by. I hate all you as much as all you hate me, by dog, by, and even more, by dog, by. You know what I tell you? I just want you know that. All you broken 7 and affiliates. I want you know. West Bank, fully. Oh, you know, the only commenting underneath my fucking picture there by dog by you 7, or you know, you don't like me. I don't like all you did. If all you rate me, I rate all you. Hate me, I hate to fuck all you back by. All you feel it is by. All you feel like it, all you don't like me and it's just that. I don't like all you fucking too by. You feel, and again I will say to all my supporters who they support me and show me love, same speed love coming back to everybody. You understand? Just them little fucking caca-hole now. Who have a big set of, who have a whole bag of mouth. Or listen to some fucking music. And I step on them, the words I get served with them and them fin.
Yo, Toby! It's a Toby word. Yeah,
feel too dark, them could never see we coming. Yes, born ready. If you turn back, you will catch a little pussy running too dark. So make a big shot burning, make hole in the body, something like funny. We couldn't talk to my face, watch a big nozzle, cause I know where the six coming. We feel a mad, we step on them. The worst I get served with them and them friend. The time forget page, I'm no problem. The war forget sinister. Go for them rolling, and we name that Tony. K-shells are go remember. Everybody skate out and really match. Not pussy them fear, that's the way them watch. Them weak and I try to play strong. They make me send my gym from the station. I'm the artist, but we love the facial. I'm chat 6 down run the nation. Them never want. They make me stick a pussy wall side panda. They got lay up and them say a tanker. What smoke all of them and never mean a ganja. We not pay unless a family feel left scar. Them couldn't get ready for this. For they are too fire, no never send me. Could I get it in the neck, could I in the belly? Them a make a bag of chat and I'm never ready. Every swing, shoot people dead. We love boy, them ends it too easy. Head we target, we start it up speedy. And them a call and bike for Peace Street. You walk with all leave, because we talk need to learn on the street. Go for them now, the men's we unleash. Till I'm under, you know we don't leave, you know we don't leave. We feel a mad, and we step on them. The worst I get served with them and them friend. The time forget page, I'm no problem. The war forget sinister. Go for them rolling, and we name that Tony. K-shells are go remember. Everybody skate out and really match. Not pussy them fear, that's the way them watch. Yeah. Kill nobody panic. Fully sticks, fully dark, you will stay panic. Never shake it panic, crime will not trade panic. Shot jump in a boy head like rabbit. Mother ball out on the car too tragic. Full of steam, and you know the 6 full of static. Full of goes down your tail in a black magic. Yeah. Get them ready now, left no witness. 4-5 call, make you flip like gymnast. But the 6 star will not left witness. Take me such a like a 7 of 8 bliss. Them man a bad man, them a kingfish. Roll up with his zing dog, if you get this. Yeah, any shovel out the free street. 4-5 crack, baby, like this. Keep mad, the man made them step on them. The worst I got safe with them and them friend. The time forget page, them no problem. The war forget sinister. Go for them brawling, and we name that Tony. K-shells I go remember. Everybody skate out and really much. And the pussy them fear, that's the way them want. Old kid, new body on it. For the sex, for the darkest satanic. Never sitting on it, can't not say panic. Jump in the boy head like a bit.
Freshly creator.
Yo, Toby. Toby, where are
Hey, I think you're joke about Skeng and all. Shane, you know, when I performed in Barbados, Shane was over there. Me and Shane was liming. Thing with vibes and listening, some in music, listening, some in my music. It does the thing, innit? Well, something we started to talk about, boy. Alright, yeah. Dog, everything was going in Trinidad, me I hear it back at Jamaica, you know. He tell them, you know, every time, everything was going in Trinidad, the news, there's Senator Jamaican. One thing he started to talk about that, he started to tell me about, you know, who's this and who's that and thing. I say, man, who's Skeng? I say, Mumbo, you ain't put me. I say, what? I say, what? You ain't put me. I say, where you set up, dog? Yeah, I'm like a picnic. I say, yeah, I say, me. But I say, but we need more. I can't do this. I see, yeah, why you know, I start to laugh. Oh, yeah, by them, I like a picnic, them not do nothing. Them not do nothing in the air, me I say, I'm a liquor picnic. I see him. He tell them he circle here around, have them feeling like he a bad man, and Shaney boys run out them out of mobile or some kind of story there, you know. Let's say, boy. All about this, you say that you don't do about this, boy. Like a picnic, boy.
You have stuff.
Right from fire, like a picnic, boy. Pussy get random, them be chat up. Could the fox like on them? Love talk for hibernation, try we and gone in hibernation.
Need for that. They could be fast like Splinter. If you want to get wet, they could be call with sprinkler. Them even bad like we index finger. Check up on this head top, we aim for. Go for them pussy left, none remember. My big rookie at top, my flame that left hole in my body with the biggest chamber. Dabbing on my mind all day.
Oh, honey films.
I've been getting high all day. Steady trying to find my peace. It's not gonna bring you back, cries, not gonna make you laugh.
Big up a bad videographer, honey films. I don't know my brother.
The only boss, 6, I'm the only dance. 7, me and knock it down. Big body thing, one rocket off. Think okay, man. Link with this game plan. But they're only decline. Cause them boys feel the recline. 6 in the morning, niggas yawning. Yeah. And then we kill about 3. Tell me this, the ups and them non-answer back. How your body not real and full of tough chat. Can't step to the dark, cause them a big cat. If you reach on my place, you nah leave that. Only right for bands, best believe that. Couple on my car, reach a base card. All the point that I lodge in your head part. Shot a lodge in your head part. I'm confident, this one, I'm confident, take a little bit. Take you in your face, so I'm a bossy.
But if I do here.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.